in our workshop, we're going to have a panel which is going to have researchers and people who have experience of neurodivergence and mental health. And so with our attendees, we're going to consider how to embrace complexity across neurodivergence and mental health.
Neurodivergent people make up a huge proportion of society. So if that's you or if that's your family, then you're not alone, and it can be really helpful, I think, to hear the experiences of others and, build confidence in yourself and advocating for yourself as a result. And if you are professionals, researchers, it's really, really important to know more about how to support this group, because the chances are, whether you know it or not, these are already people that you are supporting and interacting with. There's still a lot that we don't know, and I'm not going to pretend that we have all the answers, but it's about starting that conversation